Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. The Link chart is still in this support region, or actually the price already is trying to reverse to the upside. We had a bit of a reaction to that support area, specifically to the 50% Fibonacci retracement here at $15.45. Small reaction, but nothing substantial yet. So I'm going to zoom in a minute. But the idea is, looking at this chart, I'm not going to talk about the entire chart today, but the idea is that a wave 2 correction finished in April, after the wave 1 topped in March. Wave 2 bottomed. It's not confirmed yet. We are dealing with something that we call a diagonal pattern, but we cannot trust these. We talked about those today in the member live stream. You cannot trust diagonal patterns until they have formed 5 waves. Then we can look for the next pullback and identify a support region. As long as we only have a diagonal pattern in the making, because these subwaves are corrective, we cannot trust it, okay? And I tend to show diagonals. There are analysts who don't show diagonals at all. They say, okay, I'm not going to label it until it's complete. But I rather show the roadmap and tell you, however, that you always have to be on the side of caution in a diagonal. But if a diagonal is forming, what does that mean? It means that we should get 5 waves up. And only if I get the 5th wave, however, that reaches $19.90 plus, I can confirm that the wave 2 really bottomed. At the moment, this is just a speculation, just an idea, a thesis. And I'm not fully convinced either. But as long as support levels are holding, I can go with that. I can justify that. It's just that this wave 2 is just so short in time, in duration, right? Comparing it with the wave 1. But yeah, it's now possible that we're forming this 5-wave move up. The wave 1 did what it needed to do. The wave 2 did what it needed to do. The wave 3 did what it needed to do. It reached my first ideal target for the 3rd wave. Then the 4th wave did what it needed to do, and it's reacting already to the support region. And I now need a 5th wave, which would also be an ABC structure, but which should reach basically $19.90. That was the dog in the background, to $20. Yeah. If it doesn't even get to $20, then there is no clear 5-wave move up. As soon as we have those 5 waves, I call that a wave 1, and then we are going to look for the wave 2 pullback support zone, from where then a 3rd wave rally could start. That's basically what I'm watching for on the Link chart here at the moment. What is the key support area? So the key support area is between $14.67 and $16.26. Only a break below $14.67 would suggest that something more bearish is unfolding. And in this scenario, then the yellow count could send the price down into the region between $10 and $10.70. From there, then a 3rd wave rally could begin. And that, by the way, should take us to like $90 plus, $90 to $100, or maybe even higher. Condition is then that the larger yellow support region is holding here down to $6.90. It's basically 2 counts. The white count suggests we might have bottomed already here. $14.67 is support. If we break below it, then the wave 2 is still unfolding. And in that case, $6.90 is support. And basically, we can't trust the idea that we've bottomed already until we get a first 5-wave move up. In the very short term, one more low is preferred. So I think one more low is likely in this C wave of wave 4. Before really a local low is forming in this support area. And again, the support area is defined between $16.26 and $14.67, and the initial resistance area already led to a reaction. So that's defined between $16.58 and $16.33. As per the update yesterday, I highlighted that as long as we stay below $16.58, there is absolutely zero indication that a low is in place. So we still stay below that, and ideally we get a 5-wave move up above resistance. That would be at least a clear signal that we've bottomed. So at the moment, I'm watching for one more low, possibly to hit 1544 or 1467. That's my update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.